Effective ways to get rid of toenail fungus. Experts say your weekend pedicure, post-workout shower at the gym, or barefoot walking around the public pool may have left you with an unwelcome gift, onychomycosis, otherwise known as nail fungus. Although it starts innocently enough as a white or yellow spot under your finger or nail, a fungal infection can cause the area to thicken and even collapse as it penetrates deeper and deeper. So naturally you will want to do everything you can to return your nails to their former glory. Lots of people are looking for a drug-free alternative, said pharmacologist Joe Graedon, assistant professor at the UNC Eshelman School of Pharmacy in Chapel Hill and author of The People's Pharmacy. The thing is, there are many so-called natural remedies for toenail fungus out there, and not all of them actually work. Here is everything you need to know about how the toenail fungus grows, as well as the effective treatments that will get rid of it as soon as possible. What is the toenail fungus, exactly? The toenail fungus occurs when tiny microscopic organisms called fungi are found under your toenails, causing infection, according to the American Academy of Dermatology (AAD). Not so much fun. The same fungus that itches jock an athlete's foot can also cause toenail fungus, which can infect your nails and the skin underneath, says Gary Goldenberg, MD, clinical assistant professor of dermatology at the Icahn School of Medicine at Mount Sinai Hospital in New York. Depending on the type of fungus you are having, an infection can cause a slew of unpleasant symptoms, including nail discoloration, yellow, brown, green or white, accumulation of debris under the nail skin, nail lifting, thickening or collapsing of the nails, thinning or splitting of a nail. The toenail fungus is very contagious and, if you have a fungal infection on your foot, the fungus can spread to one or more of your nails. Toenail fungus, or onychomycosis, is a problem many people have. Some signs of it are inflammation, swelling, yellowing, and thickening or collapse of the nail. Certain things help the fungus to develop, such as high levels of acid in the skin, a weak immune system, feet that are still in wet areas like sweaty shoes or socks, bad washing habits, and diabetes. If left untreated, the toenail fungus can cause cracking, division and even total loss of the toenail. But don't worry, toenail fungus can be treated without even spending a lot of money. There are different home remedies that can get rid of the infection in 1 or 2 months. Here are some ways to get rid of toenail fungus. Apple cider vinegar. Because apple cider vinegar has acid, it can help block toenail fungus from spreading. At the same time, it kills bacteria and fungi. Mix the same amounts of apple cider vinegar and water. Soak your local nail in the mixture for 30 minutes a day. When you're done, dry your toenail very well. If you do this every day for a few weeks, it will help very quickly. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil fights germs and fungi, which helps treat toenail fungus. It is also used to treat other types of skin infections. Mix a few drops of tea tree oil in a teaspoon of olive oil or coconut oil. Use a cotton ball to put the mixture on your toe. Leave on for 10 minutes, then use a toothbrush to lightly rub the nail. Do it 2 or 3 times a day until the nail is healed. Baking soda. Baking soda can be found in most kitchens, and can also treat toenail fungus. It can help block the feet from smelling too. Add 1/2 cup of baking soda, 1/4 cup of 3% hydrogen peroxide and 1 cup of Epsom salt to 4 cups of hot water. Mix the ingredients very well, then add a 1/4 cup of white vinegar. Soak the nail in this mixture for about 10 minutes. Wash your foot with clean water and dry it very well. Do it twice a day for a few weeks. White vinegar. The vinegar